Today, we're diving deep into the two-sample t-test, also called the independent samples t-test. What is a two-sample t-test? The two-sample t-test helps us answer a fundamental research question. Are the average values of two independent groups significantly different from each other? For example, we might ask, is there a significant difference in productivity change between employees working in tech versus those in marketing? Now, let's walk through the actual procedure in SPSS. After uploading your data, navigate to the top menu and click Analyze, then Compare Means, then Independent Samples t-test. This opens our main dialog box. Move your continuous variable, productivity change, into the Test Variables box. This is what we're comparing between groups. Then, move your grouping variable, industry, into the grouping variable box. Click Define Groups and specify which values represent your two groups. If you coded tech as 1 and marketing as 2, enter these values. Click Continue, then OK to run the test. The first table shows descriptive statistics for each group. Pay attention to the means, standard deviations, and sample sizes. This gives you a preliminary sense of whether the groups appear different. The second table shows independent samples test table. Look at the t-value, degrees of freedom, and most importantly, the significance, two-tailed value. If this p-value is less than your alpha level, typically 0.05, then you have a statistically significant difference between your groups. If you want results with ready interpretation, instant hypothesis testing, and downloadable professional reports, simply go to Metrixtab. The platform streamlines your entire statistical analysis process, from uploading your data, running tests like the two-sample t-test, to receiving clear results and AI-generated narrative insights, all in just a few clicks. You don't need manual coding or advanced statistical expertise. Metrixtab starts by letting you upload your dataset as a CSV or Excel file. After uploading, the platform automatically reads your variable names and gives you a clean dashboard of your data stats, including number of rows, variable count, data quality, and a quick survey of numeric and categorical variables. This ensures your data is ready for analysis before you start the hypothesis test. Navigate to the hypothesis testing section. Choose the two-sample t-test option. For this test, set the variable to test as your target metric, here, productivity change, and the group variable as the categorical variable used to split your sample, industry, in this example comparing marketing versus tech sectors. You can also specify the statistical assumptions, students' t-test for equal variances, and your desired confidence level, typically 0.05. Click to run the test. Metrixtab instantly generates sample statistics for both groups, including mean, standard deviation, sample size, and standard error. Test results are clearly tabulated, showing the t-statistic, degrees of freedom, and p-values for both two-sided and one-sided tests. The confidence interval for the mean difference is displayed, alongside a simple interpretation of the result and practical significance. Here, the platform concludes there is insufficient evidence to say the means differ significantly, but gives you all the statistical details for reporting. Metrixtab provides options to export complete reports with all tables, confidence intervals, assumptions, and plain language interpretations. Results include statistical decisions to help you summarize findings for research or business use without manual formatting or extra statistical coding. You can generate visually professional documents for sharing with your team or stakeholders.